All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. My name is Bale, CEO, Promise Recording Studio. So I got a request this morning. I just felt I should make a general video so that it can help all those that are affected by this particular stuff. Now, if you are a newbie or you are trying to come up in the production line and you have been using Cubase 5, and now you want to migrate into a newer Cubase version, of course, you are going to be having blacklist plugins in the sense that Cubase 5 accepts only 32-bit plugins because it's an old version of Cubase. Of course, if you understand now that Windows is gradually migrating into 64-bit processors. So in other words, all the newest versions of softwares released are mostly made in 64-bit. Let's get into the main reason. Your 32-bit plugins you normally use on Cubase like Purity, Gravity, and all those plugins will not work on Cubase 12, 13, and 14. So, but if you're using Cubase 12, there is this feature that was built into Cubase 12, which is called the VST bridge. It was built alongside with Cubase 12. It means Cubase 12 has the ability to use both 32-bit and 64-bit plugins simultaneously if you know how to enable it inside your Cubase. So if you're using Cubase 12, you don't need this particular software I want to show you. So without wasting time, this is what you do. If you're having that blacklist issue, go to your Google and type download jBridge. It's a free plugin. Download jBridge. So I've downloaded the jBridge plugins. I will install it. All right, fantastic. It is installed. I'll just go over and pin it or run as administrator. Listen, you will always run as administrator. Then what I'll do, I will come over here and just pin it to my taskbar so that I can easily access it. Now, here is the very important point. Now, it says select your VST host. Now, because you are using a 64-bit host, this is where you will come to, because Cubase 13 and 14, 12, those are 64-bit hosts. So you come over here, click here. Now you are trying to bridge a 32-bit to a 64-bit. It said create bridging file inside a dictionary. This is the highly recommended part. So you click this one. Follow the steps. Now you will navigate into your VST plugin base. Follow this part carefully. Now this is my local DC. I'll come over here. I'll scroll down. Now all your 32-bit plugins are installed inside program file 86. It's the same as 32-bit. All your 64-bit plugins are installed under program files. This one on top are for 64. This one under are for 86, which is 32-bit plugins. So I will open this one. Then you will scroll over and look for 32-bit plugins that you installed. So either it will be inside jBridge or just your VST plugin folder. So mine is in my Cubase jBridge. Purity is a 32-bit plugin. So you can actually bridge more than one at a time. Okay, let's bridge Purity. Click OK. Step 4, it says select destination dictionary for bridging file. It means locate the folder where you want the bridge file to go into. So me, I will love it to go into Cubase so that Cubase can easily access it. You can put it on any folder, but it will be difficult for Cubase to access it. So I will open this and locate my jBridge here and put it inside the VST folder. So this is jBridge. Look for VST, this is VST, and I will just click OK. And boom, it is done. You see, one file bridged using your 64-bit VST host. Click OK. Now, you want to do more, you can go over and do more bridging. Okay, now that I've done that, the next thing I will do is to open my Cubase as administrator henceforth. So I will right click on this, run as administrator. Then it will automatically scan that Purity plugin that I just bridged into my 64-bit host. Let's see, look at it there. Okay. All right, so let's go over to our VST instrument, F11, and look for Purity. Okay, is here. Bam! Working very fine, and you can hear the sound. So, of course, you can see that it worked very well. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, you can follow the same process. Whatever part that I'm too fast, you can slow it down to gain better understanding. If you are lost at any point, just follow the steps. Give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and put on your notifications so that our new videos will be released this week. And trust me, I'm going to be releasing 3 sites where you can actually get very good plugins for free, not hacked, for free. but those are only for my subscribers, not for everybody. God bless you. Thank you. I'll see you around again. Bye bye for now.